Before installing a door frame, it's important to consider Vastu principles. For entrances, as they are believed to influence the energy flow within a home, here are some Vastu tips for fixing door frames, especially for the main entrance. Direction of the main door. Ideally, the main door should face north, northeast, east, or west. These directions are considered auspicious. In Vastu, avoid placing the main door in the south direction, as it is believed to bring in negative energy. Materials and colors. Choose solid and sturdy materials for the door frame. Wood is a preferred material, but metal frames are also common. Opt for soothing colors for the door, such as brown, green, or white, as they are associated with positive energy. Threshold placement. Ensure that the threshold or the bottom of the door is level and not higher or lower than the surrounding floor. A level threshold is believed to facilitate smooth energy flow. Door shape and design. The door should ideally be square or rectangular. Avoid irregular or odd-shaped doors, as they may disrupt energy balance. Choose a design that is aesthetically pleasing and complements the overall architecture of the house. Doorbells and knockers. Install a doorbell or knocker that is in good working condition. A pleasant sound when entering can positively influence the energy in the home. Avoid creaking doors. Ensure that the door does not creak or make unpleasant noises when opening or closing. A smooth, noise-free door is considered more favorable. Good lighting. Ensure that the entrance area is well lit. Proper lighting is believed to attract positive energy and dispel negativity. Decorate with auspicious symbols. Consider decorating the main door with auspicious symbols or religious symbols like swastik, or the image of a deity. These symbols are believed to bring positive vibrations. Welcome mat. Place a clean and attractive welcome mat at the entrance. This symbolizes hospitality.